you catch that? Well, neither did I. What I was trying to say there is welcome to the July 2021 Grow Omaha Construction Update. I'm Brad Williams, and today we're starting the helicopter. The main purpose of my flight this night was to catch a full house at TD Ameritrade Park, Omaha, but I was able to sneak in some Grow Omaha Construction Update videos along the way. If you want to see a couple of the TD Ameritrade Park photos, stick around till the end of this video. As we swing around the southwest corner of downtown, you'll notice the new Juvenile Justice Center by the yellow tower crane at the bottom of the screen. As the helicopter flies north along the Missouri River, we come across several construction projects. The first is the lake at Heartland of America Park. You'll notice the yellow crane working on the north shoreline of the lake. Once this is complete, the temporary straight line berm will be removed out of the lake and the lake will have a more natural shape again. Behind the lake, we see work continuing on the Mercantile as well as a new road network going in the area. As we cross 480, we come across the site of the new Kiewit Luminarium, and you can see steel is going vertical. Time to buzz all the Grow Omaha fans on Bob the Bridge. Work is wrapping up on the Waterford building in the Fountain Ridge development at 192nd Dodge. This Class A office building features two unique water features. There's a nice cascading waterfall into a pond on the south side of the building by the entrance, and an iconic fountain on the north side of the building near the West Dodge Expressway. Work is rapidly progressing on the new Aldi location at 192nd and Center. This is in addition to a new location which will go into the former Fresh Time at 132nd and Center. Major construction is still happening on the Candlewood Apartments just west of Costco on Dodge Street, but the first two buildings are complete and residents are moving in. To say that Omaha is currently having a car wash boom would be an understatement. There are more car washes under construction and planned in this town right now than I would even want to try to list. Between Tommy's, Club, Rocket, and Tidal Wave, there are car washes going up all over the entire Omaha metro area right now. Work is really coming along on the Logan building at 18th and Dodge. When complete, the Logan building will be transformed into a 90-room boutique hotel called Indigo. A quick update on the Swivel Apartments at 72nd and Dodge. A lot has changed since our last visit here. There's new construction at Bushwhackers in downtown Ralston. Steel is going up for a stage as part of an outdoor music venue on the north side of the Bushwhackers building. As we've talked about on the Grow Omaha radio show and the Grow Omaha Minute, steel has gone vertical for the Kiewit Luminarium on the Omaha riverfront. I hope you enjoyed this month's tour of the Omaha construction scene from both the ground and the air. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to send us a comment in the comments below or an email to news@growomaha.com. Be sure to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to our channel so you get updates in the future. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm Brad Williams with your Grow Omaha Construction Update. I was a little worried about this aerial flight. The games had been running right about 3 hours, and with a 6 o'clock first pitch and sunset at 9, it could have been right at the end of the game. Thanks to a 2-hour rain delay, the game was just getting going right at sunset, and the pictures came together perfect with a completely full stadium.
If you like this video, be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. And remember, Grow Omaha is not just media. This is a mission. We are trying to build up Omaha and make it an even better place. We can only do that with your help. Share this video with your friends, neighbors, and family.